This is motocross pant, prepared especially for the riders, moto MX. If we see in detail this pant, this is almost 100% customized with specific data and logos. Like the front part is with sublimation of a specific word. If you see in detail, the side part is also with sublimation. Here we can put any data which you will provide. The similar case is on right side. This is also sublimized, and you can see a specific writing with sublimation process. If we see in detail the material of the pant, most of its parts are this is Kevlar elasticated. This part is Kevlar elasticated. It will resist about friction and also an elasticated material. This is part of you can say knee, and its inside is soft material used. Upper side is also an extra logo of rubber logo. If you go to the end, the bottom of this pant, the material used is the same elasticated Kevlar material. This one, the black. The other part, this is the Cordura polyester textile. At the top, if you see in detail the belt is used with a buckle, which you can open, close, or adjust like this. This one, this will go to the onward, but not at the back, because here are steps. Similar case, the Velcro closures are also used. This one, the Velcro closures. Okay. If we see the inside of the belt, a rubber belt is used for extra strength and for extra tightness. Yes, this one, the extra tightness. The same elasticated material to adjust the waist. Now we shall see the back side of this pant. Okay, you will see the back side. You will see its bottom, the hips are very strongly stitched with 3 seams, so to avoid any danger of tear and wear. The upper part is same elasticated Kevlar with sides logo, rubber logo for extra tightness and strong. Okay, if we go to the bottom, the same material, Kevlar elasticated to adjust, for adjustment and for safety. The inside of the pant, if we see, if we reverse it and see inside of the pant, there is a lining of 100% polyester. Yes, and the knee is provided a safety with soft material, foamy soft material. Okay. The same. Okay. And you can note the lining is up to the bottom. Sorry, up to the knee. The lining, the polyester lining will go up to the knee, and the remaining part will be free, so it will easy to wear.